She's already gotten the attention of People magazine, but more importantly, our guest is hoping to get the Columbia legislature to change the law. Let's welcome Megan O'Brien, founder of RingMyBelle.com, who says her new business is illegal in South Carolina, but shouldn't be. So great to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
So first, tell our audience about RingMyBelle.com.
RingMyBelle.com is beauty on demand. And what that means is, much like when you get an Uber, boom, boom on your app, it magically appears. We have the same thing, but not a car. It will be a hairstylist who will only give blowouts and updos, because I have gotten some pushback from salon owners that have said, well, people are going to not come to my salon anymore. That's not true. We don't cut hair. We don't color hair. We don't do extensions. Nothing. We do blowouts and updos. Okay. Makeup artists will come to you in a spray tan, so you can get beauty on demand. Right now, we have a website. All of this is able to be ordered on the website. The app is launching in about 2 months, but right now the business is illegal. I did not know this when I moved to South Carolina, because why would I move to South Carolina to start an illegal business?
And
right?
You came from Los Angeles.
I did.
And is this an operation in other places?
Yes. Well, we do have this service in Los Angeles. I happen to have used it 281 times myself. It's legal there, and it's not the same business as my business. What happened was, I was in Charleston and I needed to get my hair and makeup done, and I couldn't have anybody take me or come to my hotel room. So I said, well, that's okay, I'll just order it up on the app. Imagine my surprise that I couldn't do that. But I saw so many other businesses that were doing exactly what I was doing, going to different venues, going to different hotels, but it wasn't on demand. So this is going on. So in a million years, I never thought it was illegal.
The business model sounds very innocent enough.
Right.
However, it is illegal in the state of South Carolina,
yes.
People, and you're looking to repeal a law. There was a law that was actually passed in favor of barbers who provide male-centric services. That was House Bill 3024. That passed in the 21-22 legislature.
Right.
Your bill is Senate Bill 539, and this would allow for more female-centric services.
Right. Well, 94% of cosmetologists are female. And it seems, and I'm not going to play it, the card, but you know what, People magazine ran with it, so we're going to go with it. It does seem a bit sexist that barbers can go and do these services free, and women go and do these services and they are in fear of losing their cosmetology license. And we're not asking anything different than what the barbers are allowed to do. So the current law is a woman will lose her cosmetology license, her livelihood, if she gets caught doing hair or makeup outside of a brick-and-mortar salon.
And let me just make this clarification. I mean, for a barber service, you're not doing updos or blowouts. You're actually doing cuts, and you're doing shaves, and you're doing things like that. So they're able to go out on the road.
That almost seems more invasive than just a blowout or an updo,
but
right?
They didn't get any pushback, but you're getting pushback if
a
you
little
dare
bit.
Cut hair or color hair on the road.
Well, yeah.
Not that you want to provide those services.
Correct.
But you just are
well, the whole thing, the pushback also is, well, you know, is it safe? And I light candles in my home. It could catch on fire. I mean, I get food delivery. I could be poisoned. I have a cleaning woman. She brings bleach. We all manage to survive. I mean, I think that the safety angle is, these are licensed cosmetologists, so they're not going to go in and do anything that they wouldn't do in the salon. And this is legal in so many other states. It just seems a bit backwards for South Carolina to penalize women that want to make more money. The dry bars pay about $12 an hour. RingMyBelle starts at $50 an hour. They can work when they want. They can work where they want. Who doesn't want to have their own entrepreneurial they can be their own boss.
Right, exactly.
And make their own
freelancers.
Money.
So there's freelancing for all kinds of things.
Correct.
There should be freelancing for this too,
yes.
according to you.
Yes.
Now there is a subcommittee led. So at least you've gotten as far as there's a Senate bill that has been named. It is currently in the Senate. There's a subcommittee led by Margie Bright Matthews, Senator Marlon Kimpson, and Senator Ronnie Sapp. So there are people on this, but it's going to take a bit more push. And so you're gathering names. You're amassing a list of people who are in your corner. For people who who want more information, they can go to your website and also find out more information about signing that petition. And the website is RingMyBelle, BELLE.com.
Yes, correct.
Wonderful. Megan, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're back after this.